welcome to Maji. We are a gallery in Maroma in Auroville. Maji started in February this year to bring artists from this bioregion to show their works. We have artists from different mediums: ceramic, sculpture, painting, print, photography. I'm the curator of the gallery. I'm very happy to show this one where they have three different mediums, and we have a furniture artist, an architect practicing furniture. And then we have a Spanish artist who has done a doctorate in Hindu spiritual aesthetics and has got that study to bring her graphic prints. And we have another architect turned potter who is making the ceramics with Norikomi. For me, this has been such an exciting thing to bring like the matter in this way, to bring them together in a positive, beautiful way. And I would say I had fun. That's the important thing. And I'm quite excited about this.
My name is Tejaswini, and I have an architecture background, which actually influences a lot my work. The questions about the space, material, or even the presence is something that is very close to me. And I primarily work with the wood, and mainly a reclaimed wood, a cyclone fallen wood. So I feel it has already a life, a history that is embedded in the material. And what I am doing here is trying to not erase the story, but take that forward and create something that is new. So it's in terms of form, it is something new, but I'm not erasing the story that it actually contains. What you see here is I'm trying to not give a very strict function to every piece, though there is a function and there is an art angle, but I'm trying to create a balance between both. And this is what I generally work with. I would like to see that each of my furniture is creating a conversation between what it was, what it is made, and also probably what the viewer is going to look at. So that's what it is.
I am Clara. I am native from Spain, and I live in India, in Auroville, since some time. And I landed here because I was doing my research on Indian aesthetics. And this is a little show about what is behind the scene of the surface of the earth. So there is a yantric theory behind that is my life, my way of seeing nature and everything. And this is a work from the most abstract to the most figurative, all together. Sometimes it's a landscape, sometimes it's an object, sometimes it's a subject, and finally everything is yoga on beauty and art. And it's open to make different connections, different reminiscence to Khajuraho, for instance, where the sculpture and miniature painting is connecting. Because after my PhD, I started to go into the practice of miniature painting from Kangra style mainly, that I love. And in that journey, still I am I took my boat and I am just sailing. And you are welcome to travel with me.
Anusha Parmar. I'm ceramic artist. I am practicing ceramics from past 6 years at Mandala Pottery. I'm showing my work at Gallery Maji, which is inspired by textile. And the technique of my work is called Nerikomi, where I mix two colored of clay and mix and make a pattern inside the clay, and then I slice it, and then you can see the pattern of the slab, and that I play around and I put on the pots, and I try to make it soft, fragile looking ceramics, but it is fire. So here, this is my new series, which talks about human unity. So we all are different but same. We have our own personality, and but still we like to be in a community where we are together. So this is my series where it is showing human community where everybody is same but everybody is different.